Now, one way in which we see Monet following his idea of painting is in this series of paintings which all paint the same object, but which are markedly different from one another. The series is of the Cathedral of Rouen, a town in France. A cathedral is a big and important church, and we see that it's not only the same cathedral but painted from the same angle. He must have set up his painter's easel in the same place each time in order to paint it. Now the same object looks different each time because that's how seeing works. That a thing looks different depending on the particular conditions, the time of day, the weather, the way the sun is shining. All change the look of the thing. And Monet seems to have an almost scientific passion for documenting these changes throughout the day. And of course, when we keep seeing the same thing, we can more accurately concentrate on the things that change. To me, it seems significant that he chose a cathedral, that there's no object that seems more distinctive, more itself, more like the kind of thing that would impose its character on the viewer than a cathedral. A cathedral is distinctive. It marks its town and its place. It serves as a landmark to settle something. It's made of stone, so it couldn't be more heavy and solid. It's huge. They're massive buildings. In every way, in that an object can seem to be precise and distinct and to have its own character. A cathedral seems to be that thing. And yet Monet shows us very clearly how our experience of that thing is fragile and ever-changing. And if you've got a good eye, you can get a feel from studying these reproductions what time of day it is, how the sunlight and the weather are working together. And if you don't have a good eye, well, you can train yours up. You could begin to understand this aspect of your own experience through studying Monet's paintings.